Okay, very nice work on the first exercise. Extend vote for me. We're moving on to special vendors next. Okay, this should look familiar. Carl's Car Carnival Vendors. Okay, that's a tongue twister. Okay, so introduction. You've seen several examples of special selectors. You can find a complete list here. We've talked about W3 schools before. If you have not checked them out, please take some time to go over to their webpage. It's a great resource for HTML, CSS, and a whole other host of computer programming languages. There is a whole table here of all the CSS selectors, special selectors that you can use. This might be a good reference for this exercise. Okay, so keep that open in a separate tab. For this exercise, we're going to use the first child selector. Okay, our task is to add a CSS rule that selects the first LI element, that is the first child. This will select the first item in each of the UL lists on the page. Okay, make the first item in each list have the font color of hashtag 32ED96 and the font size of 24px. Okay, we're going to use the first child selector. This selector picks the element that is the first child of another element. So here's an example, P first child. This will select all of the P tags that come first inside of another tag. Okay, so again, lots of information. Best thing to do is just apply it. Here's what our page should look like. Okay, so you can see that the first item under each list is basically going to be a little bit larger and a special color. Okay? All right, so we're getting that green larger text. All right, let's go ahead and get started. If we run this code now, I'm going to open this up in a new window because it's a whole web page. All right, we can see that we have food vendors, souvenir vendors, and beverage vendors. We want to grab the first vendor in each list and give them that special style. Okay, so what we're going to do is use that first child selector, and we're going to do that over in the style sheet. So since I know that all of those vendors are in list items, I'm going to use LI, and then I'm going to use the first child selector. So this is saying all my LIs that are the first inside of any unordered list, please grab those and do this to them. You are going to make them this special color. Let's grab that color. It is this right here. Okay, I'm just going to type that. Hashtag 32ED96, and then we are going to make it 24 pixels. So font size 24px. Let's save it and refresh our page, and let's see if our vendors are popping out. Okay, this looks good to me. All right, nice work on this. I hope that you are having fun with the special selectors. You should be proud of yourselves. We're really building up our advanced knowledge here. I'll see you in the next exercise. Nice job, everyone.